Hey everyone, is your Steam overlay not working? Don't worry, I've got a quick guide to help you fix it. Let's jump right in. First of all, make sure the Steam overlay is enabled. Open Steam, go to Settings, and select In-Game. Check the box for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Next, check the settings for the specific game. Right-click the game in your library. Select Properties and ensure the Enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is checked. If the overlay still doesn't work, update Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner, then click for Steam Client Updates. After updating, restart Steam and try again. Sometimes third-party programs can block the overlay. Temporarily disable apps like screen recorders, antivirus software, or FPS counters and test again. And there you go. These steps should get you Steam overlay working again. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips. Happy gaming. Thanks for watching.